Welcome back to Databricks Solution. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, I will show you how to create Databricks secret scope and link the secret scope with Azure Key Vaults. So before going forward, I request you to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started and launch first Databricks workspace. Azure Databricks login. This is the home page of Databricks. Let's click on this Microsoft Azure. This is the home page of Databricks, and Databricks keep the secret scope in hidden user interface. In order to reveal that user interface, simply type here in URL hash and type here secret scope. After that slash secrets, then create an S in capital letter or P scope and enter. You can see here the user interface to create Databricks secret scope, and we need to fill these requirement in this form to create secret scope in Databricks and link with Azure Key Vault. So first of all, we type here scope name Databricks scope. Okay, and manage principal, we need to use here all workspace user because we want to use for all user, and we require here Azure Key Vault property DNS name and resource ID. So how to get DNS name? Go to here Azure home page and click here. This is my Azure Key Vault. In previous video we created here Azure Key Vault, and go to here properties, and you see here vault URL. This is the DNS name. Let's copy this and go to Databricks and paste here, and we need here resource ID. Again go to here, and this is resource ID. Let's copy this and go to Databricks and paste here, and let's click here create button to create secret scope. The secret scope name Databricks scope has been added, and manage secret in this scope in Azure Key Vault with manage principal user interface. So we have created the secret scope and we have linked our secret scope with Azure Key Vault as well. So that's all about in this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.